Hi guys, good day everyone. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. So I'm here now at Everbilena corporate office and syempre together with the Binibini Pilipinas candidates and they will be having a corporate visit. And of course, I'm here with one of the official candidates of Binibini Pilipinas, na si Liz Mabao, all the way
Hi
from Rizal
everyone.
Province. Hi Liz!
Hi Sir Jay.
Ayan. So, kumusta ka naman, Liz?
I'm fine. I was not able to get enough sleep, but I'm very excited for this event.
Wow, bonggang bongga. And while talking to the products of Everbilena, what's your favorite products?
Of course, the one that I'm wearing right now, the matte collection. This
Wow.
one is in editorial shade. I think it complements my outfit very much.
Wow, kaya pala ang ganda-ganda.
Thank you.
Okay, well, talking to your journey here at Binibini Pilipinas, kumusta naman? How was it so far?
So far, it has been amazing. It's been 2 months, but it doesn't really feel like it's been 2 months. Time's running so fast, and next thing we know, coronation is coming. It's gonna be in a month from now, and we've been preparing for it, and I'm very excited.
And I guess you have also a lot of, sponsorships, visit, and as well as not only the sponsorship, but as well as the
Charity
charities,
events. Yes,
diba?
we've been doing a lot of charity events, and I also do my own charity events with my chosen advocacy and partner, Kasuso Foundation.
Wow, bonggang bongga. Well, talking to your advocacy, what is it, dear? Could you please tell us sa ating mga manonood and as well as to our followers?
My advocacy is breast cancer awareness. Breast cancer because it is deeply personal for me because my mother passed from breast cancer and it's something that runs in my family. My grandmother and my aunt is now diagnosed with breast cancer. That's why it's very important to me to raise awareness to women of the country about breast cancer and how we can prevent having breast cancer.
Wow, bongga. Good choice of advocacy dear. Well, anyway, sabi nila, once a binibini, always a binibini. So how do you feel that you are now part of Binibini Pilipinas?
It feels surreal and magical. I've been dreaming of becoming a Binibini ever since I started my pageant journey, and to be one of the Binibini in the 60th year of Binibining Pilipinas is just something that I would treasure for the rest of my life.
Bongga. So describe your journey here at Binibini Pilipinas in 2 words.
Extremely magical.
And of course, among those activities ng Binibini Pilipinas, alin dun yung mismong nakapag-pukaw sa damdamin mo?
That would have to be our first ever charity event where we went to the Araneta Carnival to share our experience with the children. And I think that's one of the most memorable because it not only allows me to share my experience, but also reminds me of how it is to be young and have fun.
Bongga. Well, talking to you, to your previous or past experience as a child, ano yung pinaka memorable mo doon?
My mother and I and my sisters would travel a lot and would experience a lot of fun things as a child, and that's something that I treasure. I no longer have my mother with me, but those memories were instilled with me that I would still want to share with other children and hopefully my children of my own in the future.
And nakikita ko na you have a lot of supporters, not only your followers, but as well as yung mga friends mo. So, how grateful are you on your journey here at Binibini
I am
Pilipinas?
extremely grateful to all my supporters, especially my friends who's been there since day one. And I am dedicating this journey, this competition to you. And hopefully I make you all guys proud.
Wow. Pag sinabi ba nating Binibini, ano yung unang pumapasok sa isipan mo?
Bini Bini is a reflection of what Filipinos are. They are self aware and they're also aware of their surroundings and they participate in whatever causes that they feel close to their hearts.
How prepared are you for this competition, dear?
I have been preparing for like the longest time I could remember. So I would say I'm 101% prepared for Binibini.
And of course, yung inaabangan ng ating mga followers and pageant fans, syempre yung mga Pinoy, we're talking about the Nat Cos, and of course your evening gown. So, any hint na gusto mong ano sa amin,
Well,
iparating?
I am from the Cradle of Philippine Arts, Rizal Province, so there's gonna be a hint of art and modernity in my national costume, and of course, my final gown will be a symbolism of my advocacy. So you better watch our prelims and finals.
Wow, mukhang kaabang-abang yan, guys.
Yes.
And abangan natin na ang kanyang Nat Cos and as well as evening gown ni Liz Mabaw. Liz Mabaw, anyway, pag sinabing nating Liz Mabaw, tumatatak na sa mga pageant fans natin na Miss Scuba. You joined Miss Scuba, right?
I did in 2019, and
Yes.
I even represented our country.
Yes, and tumatak talaga yun sa mga pageant fans
Yes.
natin. And now you're here at Binibining Pilipinas. So, what's the reason why you joined Binibining Pilipinas, dear?
I actually started pageantry because of Binibining Pilipinas. When my mother was sick, she had wished for me to join Binibining Pilipinas, and ever since then, I've been working so hard to be here. And it's been 10 years since she passed, so this really means a lot to me to be part of Binibining Pilipinas.
So you mean all this journey, you offer this to your mother?
Yes.
Wow, how sweet naman ni Liz Mabaw. And I guess, and we're hoping and praying that you get the crown for
Oh,
Binibining
thank you.
Pilipinas. And wala namang imposible, di ba, dear? Well, talking to your trainings here at Binibining Pilipinas, and syempre, as a pageant veterans na rin, hindi naman natin masasabi na you're a perfect person.
Oh, wow,
And
thank
you will undergo trainings as well to make you a better queen. So, how was your trainings here so far?
With Binibini or the pageant?
The whole journey.
I've been training for like a month before the competition, and just yesterday just had my pasarela, and we've been very hands-on with all of the aspects of the competition. So yeah, I'm very excited.
Well, talking to the hands-on, sino nag-decide ng design mo sa National Costume and Evening Gown? Ikaw din ba or yung mismong designer?
It's a collaborative effort. The idea was from me, but then the whole concept was from my designer.
Bonggo. Talagang very, very Catriona Gray ang datingan ni Liz Mabaw.
Thank you.
Very hands-on candidate ng Binibining Pilipinas. So how is it important that being a binibini and as well as a beauty queen, kailangan maging multitasker ka?
I think it's not only important in pageantry, but also in life in general. We should know how to manage our time wisely to be able to achieve the optimum productivity.
And as far as I know, you also have a business,
Yeah.
right? So how do you manage your time? Kasi 'di ba, Binibining Pilipinas has a lot of schedules and at the same time your business.
Well, as of now, my work, because I work in IT company based in the US, but now it's on halt. But my business is still running, and I have someone to manage the business.
Wow, bongga. Anyway, congratulations,
Thank you.
dear.
Thank you so much.
And as well as for being part of the Binibining Pilipinas, it's very ika nga nila surreal talaga to
Yes.
become a binibini. So, do you have any message to those children who also wants to become a binibini in the future?
Well, my message would have to be just be true to yourself, and because when you're self-aware, no words could put you down. So that's one of the most important thing. Accept criticism, but know how to filter those good criticisms and the bad criticisms.
All right, one last thing, dear. So this month we are celebrating the
Yeah.
Pride Month. So do you have any message to all our families from the LGBTQ community?
Most of my friends are actually from LGBTQ, and they've been very supportive. The LGBTQ community has been the most creative people, and they really deserve to be celebrated. And unfortunately, I was not able to attend the Pride March last June 1 because I had a shoot. But I maybe next year I'll be able to celebrate with you guys.
Wow. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Liz.
Sir
And
Jay.
best of luck sa journey mo sa Binibining Pilipinas. I know
Thank
you can
you.
do it.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Laban. Diba?
Laban.
Laban Rizal, right? So,
Yes.
thank
Thank
you.
you.